Tonight, a major about-face from the Biden administration about COVID-19 vaccine mandates.
We're going to tell you what it means for families, Iowa workers, and your rights as an individual. A lot of new information coming out about vaccines tonight. To start our show, we are giving you the facts. The three big headlines you need to know tonight. President Biden's federal employee vaccine mandate. We'll get into that in a moment. Next, new money from the Treasury Department going to states to boost their vaccine efforts, including a push from Biden to give $100 for every newly vaccinated American. And third, the CDC now says fully vaccinated people should get tested after they have been exposed. So let's get to President Biden's announcement about federal employees getting the COVID vaccine. The president saying every federal worker and on-site contractor will be asked to attest their vaccination status or face regular testing. Biden previously has said he wouldn't mandate vaccines. So what's changed?
What's really happening today? After months and months of cases going down, we're seeing a spike in COVID cases. They're going up. Why? Because of this new form, this new variant called the Delta variant.
So how many Iowans does Biden's announcement impact? There are a little more than 7,800 federal workers in Iowa. We don't know how many of them are vaccinated. They work in all sorts of sectors, from the USDA offices to clerks with federal courthouses.
Tonight, Governor Kim Reynolds standing by her decision to ban mask mandates by local leaders and school officials, even as the CDC recommends those who are vaccinated put the masks back on in certain settings. Reynolds says the new guidance is confusing and contradictory and not backed by science.
I haven't seen the data. They're not really forthcoming on a lot of data that they're using to make this change in the guidance. And I really haven't seen any data that would support that states that don't issue a mask mandate versus states that do issue a mask mandate, the statistics are that much different.
Our team speaking to Iowa school leaders about the CDC's recommendation for kids and masks this upcoming school year. They say their hands are tied because of the new Iowa law. And we're listening to you and we're hearing from you about masks and schools. Taking to social media, Jane writes, I predict teachers and students will choose to wear a mask even if not mandated. Jenny saying on our Facebook page, quote, good, it should be our choice as parents if we want our kids masked or not, end quote. Another parent, Crystal, saying, quote, this is why my child is doing homeschooling this year. If masks were required, I would be sending her back, but now I can't take that chance, end quote. I want to thank you all for sending in your comments and sharing your thoughts with us on this very important topic. We continue the conversation with us by texting in how you feel about the CDC's guidance for vaccinated people to wear masks, especially in schools. Send us a text to the number you see there on your screen.